Welcome to the MTS Technik workshop. My name is Kacper, and in this video I will guide you through the ins and outs of our Weld-in coilover suspension kit designed for the one and only BMW E30. You can buy a do-it-yourself kit and weld your front struts by yourself, or, and this is highly recommended, send us your front struts so we can prepare everything in our factory and send back to you perfectly welded and powder-coated front struts. The BMW E30 comes with two types of strut towers. They differ in the external diameter, but our kits are adapted for this. Our kits are available in three main variants: street, stance, and comfort. Let's start with front suspension. You'll always get two double-threaded shock absorbers, but this lower part depends on the kit you're interested in. If you want to buy a DIY kit, you'll get a steel adapter to which the shock absorber screws into to adjust the total length of your strut tower. You will weld your steering knuckles into these adapters. If you decide to go with the pre-welded kit, you'll get these professionally welded and pre-assembled by us. You can choose between shock absorbers made of gold zinc-coated steel or made of stainless steel. No matter which variant you choose, your front shock absorbers will be always delivered to you with our hexacoil adjustment nuts. Hexacoils, thanks to the use of this tiny clamping screw, make all your height adjustment easy and secure. We use springs manufactured by a German company, eibach. All kits come with ERS-type springs on front suspension. The variants differ in stiffness only. On the rear suspension, for more comfortable ride, without sacrificing handling, we use dedicated progressive springs for comfort and street variant, but for stiffer ride and perfect fitments, we also use ERS-type springs in stance variant. ERS-type springs, thanks to their unified dimensions, allow for easy replacement with springs of different stiffness, and they are always paired with helper springs for added preload. Moving on to rear suspension, it features our signature yellow sport shock absorbers with a shortened stroke. They have increased damping force, so we are confident that they are tailored for cars with lowered suspension. Our kits also include dedicated bump stops and dust covers, as well as black anodized aluminum rear suspension height adjusters and spring caps if necessary. All our kits designed for BMW E30 come with dedicated camber plates. Camber plates allow for smooth adjustment of camber angle and modification of caster angle. Ours are made of black anodized aluminum and steel and feature a uni-ball bearing for rigidity and reliability. We also offer a DIY variant with dedicated rear tap mounts made of black anodized aluminum. They feature a polyurethane bushings, making rear suspension stiffer. If you want to upgrade later, it's not a problem. Rear tap mounts are also available separately. What's more in the box? Besides the kit itself, you will also get two adjustment wrenches, two MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation such as installation manual and, for kits welded by us, a TUV certificate. Thanks for watching.